So real leaders stop proving themselves, not because they don't care, but because they don't need to. So if you have peach blossom, proving comes naturally. You show up early, you respond fast, you explain your thinking. You want people to see your value. So you do a bit more, share a bit extra, clarify again. And somewhere inside you're thinking, well, just don't misunderstand me. Very sincere and very tiring. Is what most people don't realize. Proving is not competence. Proving is insecurity wearing good intentions. And peach blossom people prove because they feel responsible for how others feel. You prove you're competent. You prove you're helpful. You prove you're reasonable. And the room relaxes. But strangely, nothing changes. Here's the uncomfortable truth. The more you prove, the more optional you sound. And authority doesn't argue for itself, it assumes its place. And that's why real leaders feel boring to insecure people. They don't justify, they don't convince, and they don't chase agreement. They move on. So when you stop proving, something shifts. People stop testing you, they stop pushing boundaries. They start adjusting their tone because proving invited negotiation. In period 9, everyone is trying to be seen. Everyone is explaining why they matter. Leaders stand out by not just joining that noise. You don't need to demonstrate your worth, you need to embody it. And embodiment is quiet. And if you're a peach blossom that feel exhausted from always showing your value, subscribe to this channel. This is where we let authority replace performance. You see, proving asks for approval. Authority doesn't.